Hi, my name is Malaika and this is the Status Factor. Cricket coaching cancelled due to the coronavirus. My brother sat at home, bored out of his mind. I decided to do something to help him. The status factor uses proximity of an object to detect when a target has been struck. In this case, when the ball hits a particular point, an LED strip is lit, providing instant satisfaction and the motivation to continue hitting the bullseye. For this circuit, I used a battery clip with 3 positive and 3 negative terminals, a strip with 6 LEDs with 1 female and 1 male connection, a 9-volt alkaline battery, a roll of silicone double-sided tape, an infrared sensor, and some other basic supplies. To form this circuit, I made 4 connections. First, the ground terminal of the sensor to the negative terminal of the battery, the output terminal of the sensor to the female terminal of the LED strip, the 5-volt terminal of the sensor to the positive terminal of the battery, and the male terminal of the LED strip to a negative terminal of the battery. And voila! We have a complete circuit for reference. Imagine my frustration the next morning when I find that none of the circuits are working. There are 3 potential causes for this. The first is that the battery I was using to test the circuits needed replacement. The second was that my reference circuit itself had an error. The third was that the sensor was detecting sunlight, which is why it remained on. I chalked the last one to be the most likely reason. Moving the circuit to a darker environment, I was able to salvage some of them. I then wrapped the circuit in bubble wrap and duct taped everything together to create the final status factor. Before using the status factor, the battery connection has to be made. The result was much bigger than I anticipated, which is why 1 status factor was enough. With only 1 target to hit, there were more misses. This is good, as it shows that this will help my brother. Why did I call this a status factor? 2 important outcomes of this device other than accuracy are satisfaction and statistics. Why statistics? While they might not come in the form of an exact number, you will roughly know how many successes you have had. Yes, there is technology to give you an exact number, but this task would be more effective for my brother if he had to focus on the light and the target at the same time. After all, he does the same for cricket, so this would strengthen his ability to multitask.